Hello friends, welcome to my channel SNM All-in-One Quiz. There are 30 multiple choice questions in this video. Test your knowledge and perhaps learn something new with this general knowledge quiz. Knowledge will give you the ability to survive and thrive in the world. So let's start. The cabinet mission which arrived in Delhi in 1946 was headed by whom? By Lord Pethick Lawrence. The Constituent Assembly for Undivided India first met on on 9th December 1946. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India? Dr. B.N. Rao. Under whose recommendation the Constituent Assembly was set up? Under Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. Who presided over the inaugural meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India? Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. How long did the Constituent Assembly take to finally pass the Constitution? Almost 3 years. When was the Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly? On 26 November 1949. The demand for the formation of the Constituent Assembly was put forward by the Indian National Congress in 1936 at its session held at Lucknow. Who among the following was the calligrapher of the Indian Constitution? Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. Who proposed the Preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Where was the first session of the Constituent Assembly held? In New Delhi. Who described the preamble of the Indian Constitution as the political horoscope of Indian Constitution? K.M. Munshi. When did the Constituent Assembly met for the first time? in 1946? Under whose guidance was the original document of Constitution of India handcrafted? Under the guidance of Nandalal Bose. How many languages have been recognized by Indian Constitution? 22 languages. Who was the chairman of the Provincial Constitution Committee of Constituent Assembly? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was the chairman of Advisory Committee of Fundamental Rights and Minorities by the Constituent Assembly? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. What was the composition of the Constituent Assembly? (389). The idea of a Constituent Assembly was put forward for the first time by M.N. Roy. Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who moved the objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly on December 13, 1946? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Which of the following words is not included in the Preamble of the Constitution of India? Sanctity. Till now, the Preamble of Constitution of India has been amended for how many times? Once. The ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity in the Preamble are borrowed from the Constitution of which country? French. The Constitution of India derives its ultimate authority from people of India. Which of the following word has not been written in Preamble of the Indian Constitution? Indians. K.M. Munshi was related to Constitution Draft Committee. Who among the following said that the Preamble of the Indian Constitution is the keynote of the Constitution? Ernest Barker. Which one of the following objectives is not embodied in the Preamble to the Constitution of India? economic liberty. That's it, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more interesting quizzes.